Welcome back to Cooking with JJ. Today I'm making a hot pepper sauce. If there's nothing about Jamaicans, we love hot pepper. So I have a lot of pepper. I decided to make a sauce. For this recipe, you need about 2.5 doses of pepper, including scotch bonnet pepper and whatever this other pepper is called. I had a lot of green pepper, so I chose green only. Now remove the stem and try to remove it as cleanly as possible. Set them aside or discard immediately. Now, I started out cutting the pepper. I highly recommend that you don't do that because it was so hot. So go ahead and add your whole peppers to your blender. Once that's added, add a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, and a cup of water, and blend until smooth. Now, if you're one of those persons who also recycle bottles, now is the perfect time to get those bottles. Now, using a funnel, just pour that mixture into the bottle, lift it up, shake it, get it in. And there you have it. Enjoy. Super easy and so delicious. You can use this on anything. You can store it up in the fridge for up to a month. Enjoy.